Guys, Arise is as a crypto trader here. This channel is all about educating you all about cryptocurrency and how you can make the most out of it, how you can read the charts. Welcome. Let's have a look at our first chart of the day. This is, well, a lot of people have only ever heard about Bitcoin, and some of you maybe Ethereum, and those are the two most well-known names in crypto that 90% of people know about. I remember when I started the first coin, April 2017, the first coin I've ever heard of was Bitcoin, and then that was the only coin I knew. And then I started learning that it's all about digital payments and digital currency, digital money, if you will. And then I started being fascinated with space, and I started learning about other currencies like Ethereum and Neo, and like so many. There are like 10,000 plus of them. Anyways, we'll slowly get you up to date about everything, one step at a time, one video at a time. As you can see here, we've got like different resistance and support points. And if you don't understand what support and resistance is, watch my previous videos, and it's explained well in my previous videos. Anyways, over here we will find that we have a cup and handle formation, and we have a nice cup formation with a possible handle formation, and then we also have a possible ascending triangle being formed over here. An ascending triangle is simply, as we can see, this price action is respecting this as a support. We bounce off this line several times, and we'll probably continue doing so. And then we have a line that's straight, that literally an ascending triangle, straight line with an ascending trend line. A trend line is this is what you call a trend line, meaning that price action is following a specific trend upward, as we can see over here. Anyways, when you're trading the IA, you would trade it. You would wait for a breakout over here. So I'm already in this trade, but you would generally wait for a breakout, a retest. You buy that retest, and then after the retest, will continue upward and create a higher high in price action. And I'll probably take profit around this level, around this range. Anyways, the second, we have a reason to break out, which we have news on the 11th of January, airdrop happening for DIA. So it's a good trade for me personally. Then we have COTI USDT. I entered the trade around this price level, $0.028, and the reason was we have a good double bottom over here, and we were way oversold in this region, and then we had a falling wedge playing out over here. Yeah, let's look. Falling wedge. Yeah, we had a falling wedge around this level, and then we had accumulation range. Accumulation. And accumulation there. Yeah. So price action is basically we had a breakout and we started accumulating around this range. And accumulation basically just means that okay, we have smart money, like maybe people who have big money through trading, they buy around these ranges. And then when price just goes sideways, it gets boring. So people forget about this. And then, well, the whales are busy buying here as much as they can. Yeah. And then we formed an ascending triangle here again. We had a breakout. And then we started ranging above this level. So it's a good thing. This is this is what you call a retest with break above. And for Coty, we have a whole lot of news coming up. Mainnet launches, debit card launch, um, DeFi integration, Coty Pay version 2, Cobra, which is kind of like your um, Visa. Basically, you can pay with it. So they have a whole lot of iOS app. Yeah, they have a whole lot of news coming out. So, like, I've been on trade around this level to $8, and then trading around 45 cents. I expect it to go all the way up to 7 cents, and then we'll create a new higher high. We'll have a cup and handle for me. Okay, we'll have to use a different chart. Okay. If you look over here, we have a cup and handle forming on this range. Take your measurements. So our target would be around 13 cents. Okay, now a bit higher. We go. Yeah, around 16 cents. So around 16 cents level, it would be a take profit. So it's a huge trade for December alone. Yeah, and we have a whole lot of news to back up. We had Theta Protocol. Protocol upgrades in a couple of days. So let's have a look. Uh, let's look at possible trade over here. Okay. There. We have a possible run to bottom playing out. And you would basically buy the breakout of this level and wait for retest, which would a retest is a very safe entry because now you're confirming that you have a breakout, then you're having a retest, and then after retest is continued upside. Yeah. I know if you're watching this for the first time, it might be very complicated to understand. Um, but if you want to learn trading, just hit me up with my email below, and then you can ask about the trading course. And then we will basically be doing it over Zoom, and I'll be teaching you every single pattern. We have cup and handles, we have head and shoulder, which is basically a head, and your left and right shoulders. And you have like double bottom, which is literally like your price action bouncing here and bouncing here over the same level. Or if you want to draw it over here, we have a double bottom over here. That's a double bottom to same level double bottom bounce. We have double tops, which is literally the same thing but opposite sides. Double top, but we have a double top over here. One, two. You get a lot of different shapes and patterns. And if you want to learn all of them, how to trade, how to read charts, just send me an email, and my email address will be down in the description. So feel free to do it. And one of the things that I basically learned myself is that it is a lot more better. It's a lot better to invest in your own self-education to understand how to read these charts instead of gambling. And what a lot of people do when they enter into markets is that they rather won't spend money on learning, and they will rather gamble in the markets, doing something that they don't know. And I'm guilty of that myself. And you basically gamble away, you lose money for no reason when you can rather just learn how to read a chart, and you can basically grow from there. And it's a lot easier to make profits when you know what you're doing. And I can help you get there myself. Yes, I can help you get there. And all you have to do is literally send me an email or even down the comment section. You can ask me any questions as well. And I'm all about educating everyone. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.